Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
Hello, my angels. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Heaven. If you're new here and you've never seen this beautiful face before, then you can start by subscribing to the channel and turning post notifications on. We all know that YouTube has been having issues of people not being able to see creators' work, so make sure to ding that bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Welcome to episode 2 of Pop of Color Tuesday. Alright, so I already have brows, eyelid primer, as well as setting powder to make sure that everything doesn't move around and stays in place all day. So the first color that I'm going to be dipping into, this is the Epic Tan color that you guys have seen on my channel numerous times. So I'm going to focus this color more on the inner aspect of my crease and a little bit above that. Now for the outer aspect of the crease and above the crease, we're going to dive into the very center shade. This is a very beautiful chocolate brown color, and this is going to go on the outer portion of the crease and a little bit above.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights.
Alright, now with the same brush, I'm going to dive into this orange shade right here. I'm just going to focus this on the outer portion that I just did and also drag it out towards my temples. Now to finish up the the top lid, and I'm really just going to stamp this in my outer V with a big blending brush. Just going to stamp it right here. I feel like it fits perfectly in the area that I need it to, so that's why I'm using this big, huge brush for this.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Alright, before we go any further, my face needs a little help, shall we? Alright, now we can start. I'm actually going to be doing my lower lash line in Rainbow. We're going to dive into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So with a flat packing brush, this is a natural haired one. I'm going to begin with red on the outer portion, orange, and then yellow in the center, and then green, blue, and purple on the outside. So I already dipped my brush in red, so I guess we're starting with red. Alright, so I'm going to first stamp this on my lower lash line and then grab a bigger blending brush and blend it out.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold
of placing an orange right in the center point below my irises, I'm just going to stamp a yellow in the inner portion and blend the yellow into the red and create my own orange.
Paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
Now I'm going to blend this into the red and
Can make me
Alright, now we're going to use the same brush. We just did a quick color switch, and I'm now going to start building onto this eye, starting with green in the inner corner. So let's do it.
open eye, feel the way.
Alright, now baby blue.
Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping.
Alright, now is where the fun comes in. I know we're all colorful and stuff, but wait until we add some glitter to the highlight, girl. Yes. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is, of course, highlighting the higher points of my face. And I'm going to be using the White Raven from Wet n Wild. So, White Raven. Alright, for an added highlight, even though we're blinding them like crazy right now, I still want more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be pairing these two products together. So this already has a brush on it, but I don't like that brush. I don't like it one bit. So I put a little bit, and this is the Color Workshop glitter powder. Any glitter that you have will work fine for this. So with my finger, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and I'm going to apply it to the cheekbone. And then before it even has a chance to dry down, we've got to get this glitter on there. Oh my God, that looks so cool. Wow. All right, and I'm just going to use a regular brush.
Only you can make me move.
I freaking love and live for this right here. And there you have it. This is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching episode 2 of Pop of Color Tuesday. If you at any point during this video gave me a little bit of smirk, don't forget to throw me up a big thumbs up and comment down below if you would like me to continue this series here on my channel. That is it. I love you guys and thank you guys so much for being here. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.